Hey now, I'm Whit, and today just kind of a little quick show and tell because what's inside you can't get. This is a watch from a collection of over 500 watches is being sold off, and I just wanted to share it with you. If you haven't heard, Random Rob is helping out a collector who's selling off a bunch of watches, and Rob is selling about 30 a week or so. It's basically like a lottery type process, and I put my name in the hat for probably 8 to 10 watches throughout this process, and so far this is the only one that I've won the right to purchase, so let's check it out. Komrade, New Zealand. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. Look at that. It's a mug. You get a mug with it too. Oh, wow. All right, looks to be an extra strap. Spring bars. And a watch. Look at that big boy. 44 millimeter. This is the Komrade New Zealand white pointer. Wow. Look at those indices, huh? That is cool. And you can see like a little wave pattern to the dial there. Let's get some juice going. We got some kanji for the day, portion of the day date. This is a ETA 2836-2 in this watch, and now you're gonna hate me. So these, like I said, you can't get them anymore. When you could, I think they were around $800 or $900. Yeah, I got this for $200. Titanium, and like I said, ETA movement. You got the day date. Supposed to have a nice glow. 1,000 meters. Oh, you got the Kmart logo there. Doesn't that look exactly like the Kmart K? And a helium escape valve. This titanium looks good. It's kind of got like a little gunmetal color to it. See how, you know, the valve there is a little more of that stainless steel look. And this has just got more of a bronze or gunmetal color to it. Very nice. See that smooth sweep of that 4 hertz movement. Man, I love that dial. That's a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. You got that screw down crown and case back with the great white shark on the back there. This thing's only about 118 grams, I'm told, with this grade 2 titanium. That's probably due to this strap as well. This is a rich strap, so just an aftermarket strap. So I don't know if this is kind of weird. You wouldn't think that color combination would be the strap that came with this watch, but who knows? Let me give this bezel a turn. Okay, kind of skippy, ratchety. It's not the smoothest, but it's definitely not going to go anywhere. Not going to get bumped, that's for sure, because it's kind of hard to turn. But you know, again, this watch has probably been sitting for a while too. I think these came out around 2017, I'm not sure. All right, so let me just get you a tight shot of that dial before I close out the video. Give you a Lume shot as well to end with. That's just beautiful. They got a real funky design there. A lot going on for it. I mean, the handset is just kind of all over the place. Look at that. We got that blue hour hand. Again with the Kmart K on the counterbalance for the seconds hand. And then look at the stark white minute hand, and then it's got a green tip, which kind of matches the green here around the crown. So, just a very interesting, kind of funky diver. I love it. Oh, I guess I should show it to you on. Why not? First, though, I'm wearing that Zelos Hammerhead 3 with that red tiger's eye dial. That's so good. Man, you can't even tell that's 44 from the weight. It's so light, especially on this strap. So that looks good. I'm going to be loving this one, man. That is such a clean diver, huh? And there's your Lume shot. Look at that. That is nice, strong, super crisp application of BGW9. Looks like that minute hand is fading, though. That's kind of weird. But you can almost see it just from its stark whiteness even, you know, without a glow of luminescence. Anyway, just wanted to do a nice quick little video and share this find with you. Such a cool thing that Random Rob is doing there. Check out his channel for more on that. I've got a link to his channel down in the description below. And I just wanted to grab a watch. You know, like I said, I put my hat in the ring for several of them, and this was the one that I was able to snag so far. I just think that this sale of watches will kind of go down in folklore of our hobby for quite some time. I mean, such a massive undertaking, so very cool that Rob was able to help that gentleman out, and of course, we've all benefit from it as well if you were able to snag one of these watches, right? $200 for this watch. I mean, the movement alone is probably worth that. What do you think? Leave your comments down below, and if you got time, here's a couple other videos you might like. I'll catch you over there. I'm Whit, with so many watches, so little time. And money.